Those who achieve outstanding results pay attention even to the most insignificant details. They often make small, almost imperceptible, but accurate everyday decisions. Every day. It's not about talent, they just once decided to act that way. To choose what's necessary. If people understood that fears have no connection to reality, everyone would be much better off. People experience many negative emotions when faced with difficult life situations. But if you look at your life from a different perspective and realize that everything will soon come to an end, it can give you motivation and mobilize your willpower. The moment of decision-making is truly magical. You decide to do something, radically change your life, and it appears before you in a new light.